Hi guys, welcome back to Articulate. Today I thought I bring out some of my Metal Gear Solid collectibles. As you can see here on my right hand side is the Hot Toys Metal Gear Rising Raiden. On my left hand side is the this is also a Hot Toys figure, but for some reasons the bladder actually fall off, so I custom uh, the whole body and also the part of the clothing. And the center one is the DWalker. I believe for those of you guys who played Metal Gear Solid 5, you will actually do recognize this DWalker. It is actually 3D printed. It took me a very long time to design it in my 3D software. The 3D software which I'm using to design this is actually SketchUp Make. It's a free little 3D design software. You can do a lot of stuff. Of course, it is not as powerful as Adobe Fusion 360. So the end result does look very nice. Look at that. So stay tuned for the look of these Metal Gears. Alright, maybe I will show you a little bit more of this DWalker, because it took me a very long time to do this piece. There are a lot of parts which are actually screw bolted together, especially the joints for the legs. It does stand very well, and I do need to adjust a lot of the center of gravity in order to make him standing nice. As you can see here, the legs are quite okay. Of course, it is still a little bit top heavy. Nevertheless, I did manage to have him standing nicely together with the other 16Q figure. The 16Q figure, of course, is one of the most outstanding looking Hot Toys figure I have seen. Unfortunately, the Naked Snake on my left hand side, as you can see here, the original leather actually fall off. But nevertheless, I do like the final look of how I keep patch it together with the rest. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Until then, Articulate signing off. Remember to share, subscribe, and spread the love. See you guys next time.
Audio Jungle.